Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen brightness on your Mac computer. So one of the easiest way to adjust your screen brightness is using the control center. So you can just click on this control center icon in the menu bar, and here you would be able to see this display section where it has a slider. Now if you move to the left, the display will go in a darker, and if you move the slider to the right, the display brightness will be increased. So in this way you can customize the display brightness according to your need. So this was one option. Now if you are on a MacBook, you would be able to have a keyboard option where you can press F1 and F2 to increase or decrease the brightness. Now if I tap on F1, it is reducing the brightness, and if I tap on F2, then it is increasing the brightness. So this way you can use the keyboard shortcut as well to configure the display brightness. One thing to note is that if you are connected with an external display for your Mac Mini or Mac Studio, the display slider in the control center will be grayed out, and you won't be able to configure it from the control center. You can use your monitor's inbuilt display option to customize the display brightness accordingly. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.